fingertip, I get the whole hand dirty. It's the injuries and elbow grease make a body sturdy. And at the end of that, turn it on like a thermostat. Hot mess, effortless, throw yourself with the heaters out. Make you work somehow, get all over it. Pour it all out, get all over it. Now make a mess, throw down with a little grit. Let it all out, get all over it. Hey, are you digging in? Or you on the surface? With all you got, do you serve it out till you're out of service? Or you can wait and see, make bets on the lottery. Or jump in, teeth and skin, grind it out with your whole damn body. Make you work somehow, eat all over it. Pour it all out, get all over it. Now make a mess, throw down with a little grit. Let it all out, get all over it. And if it doesn't pan out, I could say I saw.
We are at Boonehall Plantation in South Carolina, and it is beautiful.
Yeah, it's super cool. It's got all the, it's one of those driveways that's like a mile long, and it's got all the big live oaks with all the Spanish moss hanging off of. What's the Notebook was filmed here, where Ryan Gosling drives his truck down the road with all the live oaks. Like Daisha said, it's super pretty here.
There's so much history, and you get to see the houses that the slaves were in. There was like lots of tours, and one that the Gola people, and she could speak their language, and it was just super cool to see that culture and hear the language and get that tour. You get to go inside the house. There's no photography, so we can't show you what inside is, but it's beautiful. Even though it's not the original house, the grounds, it's so big, it's still a running farm.
It's like you can come and pick your own stuff here.
Yeah, tons of fall festivals. They say November, December is the best time, best weather. You can walk around all around. It's beautiful. You can do a tractor tour for about 30 minutes. Everything once you get inside is free. It's about $26 a person for us to come, but once you get in here, everything is free. And it's so beautiful.
Real thing rather than a photograph. Rather make a story I could laugh at than write a lackluster paragraph. Sight is all in how you see. We look for it or what should lead.
Another plus is it's bus parking friendly and RV parking. We always love when places give us parking.
All in how you see. We look for it or what should lead. Make you work somehow, eat all over it. Pour it all out, get all over it.
We're from Utah, so we don't have sweet tea. And so we just tried it. And Nathan, what do you think?
I like it.
I hated it. I think it's disgusting. How can y'all like that? Again, we're not from here, so I've never seen okra. But I think it tastes good. It's got a really different texture.
It's like a pickle almost. They're pickled, but the texture's good. So today is budget / cleaning day.
Deep clean.
And here is our fan. Here's all the bugs that are in it. This is the worst part right here. We're gonna clean out the fan and put it back.
Waving goodbye to our worry, and we're ready to go. We're up. We're not ever slowing down. We're up. We're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure's calling, so we run wild and free.
We got up pretty early this morning to go to Polly's Island because it's a really big beach and there's one parking lot. So we got there. There's only 2 spots that we could have had, and we got the last spot that we could have had for the bus. And since we were there at like 8, a little before 8, we're just like, well, let's hang out in the bus for a little bit before we head out. We wanted it to warm up a little more in the day. Then a police officer comes knocks on our door around 9 and told us we couldn't park there because no RVs are allowed on the island. So luckily we're still in the bus, but it kind of sucks just because we can't go anywhere in the bus. There's a lot of restrictions as it is, and then for that it just sucked because I feel like there was plenty of room. We were not in anybody's way. So we actually came to Huntington Beach State Park, I believe is the name. We had to pay $8, but we got a spot. We're actually in a regular parking spot, so it's a little crammed next to us, but we can get out, and they told us we could park here, so we're good. But other than that, a little sucky, but we're here.
Wild and free.
Beach day today, and it was so wanted. We'd been running, driving everywhere, and yesterday was a really chill day, and to slowly start getting back into things, we went to the beach.
Wild and free. Here we go.
South Carolina was super fun. Obviously you saw we went to the Boonehall Plantation, and then we made our way up to Charleston. And then when we were in Charleston, we kind of just felt like we had been going, and we, especially myself, I just wanted like a rest day, and so we took a rest day in Charleston. That's when we kind of cleaned out the bus, we caught up on our budget, and we just relaxed. That day we took a nap, which we'd never done in our bus trip. We watched movies, and just, it was a really relaxing, nice day to have. We went to Okra Grill, the place that you saw us eating at, and it was delicious. They were super kind to us. We had never tried okra before, and our waitress brought pickled okra for no extra charge, and we got to try it there. The meals were big portion sized and really fairly priced. It's in the Charleston area as well. We also got to check out some beaches that you saw. It was super fun to go there. Boonehall Plantation and Okra Grill was a must for us in Charleston, so definitely recommend those for you. But thanks for watching, and catch us next week on our next video.